The third step of CCTV inspection management is the CCTV approval process. Typically, after the CCTV data is uploaded, the utility needs to make sure that they approve that information to be used as part of a risk analysis or rehabilitation plan. Oftentimes, utilities are needing to utilize multiple systems to conduct this process. From GIS data for asset linking to the CCTV inspection, to spreadsheets to track their work, as well as email communications to communicate with the different teams, and different systems to view that CCTV video. Utilizing different systems poses a challenge when it comes to tracking down the work at the utility and making sure that there is no work duplication and there's a high level of understanding of what data has been already reviewed to prevent any inefficiencies in this process. Info360 Asset provides all of the tools in the application to be able to collaborate and communicate with all team members. Let's see an example in Info360 Asset about how engineers can collaborate with field inspectors to track the work and correct any mistakes. Here we're looking at the field inspector view. After the data has been uploaded, the field inspector will then submit all the inspections to be reviewed by the engineer. Now let's switch to the engineer's view. Here, all of the inspections that were submitted will be visible by the engineer. At the top right, there will be notifications for all the inspections that were submitted. Once the engineer decides that they will review a particular inspection, they can change the status of the inspection from submitted to in review. The engineer can also filter the inspection report by the in review status to see inspections that are being reviewed by somebody else in their team. Let's take a look at this inspection that is being reviewed by the engineer. In this case, they notice the MSA PACP code indicating that the inspection was abandoned. After more investigation, they realized that no inspection reversal was conducted for this inspection. They can then go to action and reject the inspection after adding a note about why the inspection was rejected. Finally, any inspections that have passed the review process can be marked as approved by simply changing their status. Now let's go back to the field inspector view, where they'll be able to get a summary of the inspections that have been rejected and approved. They will also get a notification at the top right. If they see an inspection that was rejected, they can click on it and view the comments that the engineer left to make sure that they make those corrections in the data. Info360 Asset provides all the necessary tools to help team members in an organization communicate and collaborate during the CCTV approval process and make sure that they maximize efficiency during this time-consuming process.